how to replace a battery on a 2015 Volvo Cross Country D4. Okay, we'll start with removing this plate. I'm going to undo this bolt and this bolt, which are 8mm. Once those two bolts are out, we're going to slide this back and it lifts out. See, it catches on those two. We're then going to remove this by pulling this out of the way. There will then be a clip, mine's broken, you see there, that needs to be lifted to enable this to pull out sideways. Okay, so it latches on that top catch there and then just sits in there. That one sits inside. Next we need to remove the air filter box lid. So we're going to undo this sensor cable, which we will push in, press down there, slide off. Then we undo this Jubilee clip, which is a 7mm socket on the end of that. Then we will remove the top of the air filter box, which is 7 TX or Torx 20 screws. Once those are about that far up, they'll be loose. The top of the lid, the air filter box will come up. You can pull it out from here, okay, making sure that's undone enough. Then into the air filter. I'm going to mask over that because that's straight into the engine and we don't want anything going up it. Okay, can then remove the air filter and the air filter box, which has got 3 connection points that just pull out. One there that you can't see, one at the front, and one just under the area. Pull it up until it pops. 1, 2, 3. It will then just lift out. Next we're going to remove our battery negative here, which is a 10mm socket. Taped over the negative terminal, so I'm in control of when it reconnects. Then remove front cover, this hasn't already fallen off. And then we're through to the positive terminal. We're going to undo these 2 nuts, which do come loose, don't drop them into the engine bay. They are a 13mm socket on both of those. Next we're going to open this cap. Okay, so a small screwdriver goes into that slot. Pull back, open. We're then going to undo this nut and remove this connection. That's another 13mm socket to go on that. Again, nut comes all the way off, store it safely, remove that. Next we can undo our positive terminal connection, which is a 10mm socket on top of that nut. Just undo it enough that we can wiggle the terminal off and remove it. Next we're going to undo these 2 screws, which are TX30 or Torx 30. Once you've removed both of those, they come all the way out, to store them safely. You then see on the side here, this metal catch, that's what's holding the top cover on. That needs to drop away. Okay, so you can either knock it down with a screwdriver or just wiggle the top until it comes off. It's been on there a while, it'll probably be stiff, both sides. That enables to lift up the top cap. Once the top cover is loose, we can remove this bracket. I've already undone mine. That is a 8mm bolt that goes on there. It's connected there, don't remove that. And the nut, just watch it, should be captive on the back like that, so it won't fall away. Okay. Once that is out of the way, we can then grab the handle on our battery and pull it forward. Easy with 2 hands. Battery will now come loose and lift up and out there at an angle. That is the battery removed, and reassemble in reverse order. New battery's in. Don't forget to put the cover on it, which is why I made the video. Slot here for the bracket. Okay, so that's which way around it. That's the way around it goes.